At 5:30, 4 people in Escambia County have filed a federal lawsuit against the county district attorney and the sheriff, claiming their constitutional rights were violated.
And all 4 residents were arrested last year and charged with revealing grand jury secrets, a case that drew national attention and raised discussions on press freedom. Our Ashlyn Mitchell joining us now in studio.
And Ashlyn, the Alabama AG's office dismissed the charges in April, but the legal fight is far from over.
Yeah, that's absolutely right, Lenise and Cameron. All 4 residents filed a federal lawsuit today with the help of the Institute for Justice. And today we also heard from the plaintiffs who say it's been a grueling year and that they're ready to share their sides of the story. A small-town legal fight in Escambia County, Alabama is far from over. Last year, 4 Escambia County residents, school board member and Atmore News publisher Sherry Digman, Atmore News reporter Don Fletcher, school system bookkeeper Ashley Four, and school board member Cindy Jackson were arrested and charged with revealing grand jury secrets. In April, the state attorney general's office dismissed the charges. Now, with the help of the Institute for Justice, all 4 are suing the Escambia County District Attorney Stephen Billy and Sheriff Heath Jackson, arguing they abused their positions.
Qualified immunity only applies when the police officers shouldn't have known that what they did violated the law, and what happened to our clients here was just very obviously unconstitutional. They were arrested for revealing grand jury secrets when there was no grand jury.
The case is centered on a newspaper article published by the Atmore News last year concerning a criminal investigation into allegations that the Escambia County Board of Education misspent federal COVID relief funds.
A political dispute over who should be the superintendent of schools in Escambia County landed all 4 of our clients in jail. None of them did anything wrong, none of them broke any laws, but that didn't matter to the top law enforcement officers in Escambia County.
When school board member Cindy Jackson didn't vote to extend the current superintendent's term, that's when she says things took a turn.
And it didn't go the way that the sheriff and Steve Billy wanted us to, felt like they could intimidate us. I nodded to the sheriff and he said, we're on different sides. On the 23rd of October is when mine and Sherry's phone was seized.
The plaintiffs say they want their story to be heard, and more than that, they're seeking restitution.
Our families have suffered. Our children, our spouses, our loved ones have suffered, and now with the help of the Institute for Justice, hopefully our story will be told wholly and everyone will see that indeed we did nothing wrong.
Throughout this, people have asked, aren't you afraid they're going to come after you again? And as Don said, even now at night, if you're home watching TV or reading a book and you hear a car door or heaven forbid there's an unexpected knock at your door, the fear of additional charges was always there.
Up until now, we didn't have a way to seek vengeance or seek, retribution for this. And then IJ contacted us and stepped in, and thank God we're able now to have a voice and hopefully get Mr. Billy, Sheriff Jackson, and Ms. McClung all on the witness stand.
And I did reach out to the Escambia County District Attorney Stephen Billy, who tells me he has no comment. Billy is retiring at the end of this year. And I also reached out to Sheriff Heath Jackson and haven't heard back. Be sure to stay with Fox 10 News as this story unfolds. Reporting live in studio, Ashlyn Mitchell, Fox 10 News.